No. No.
You shall die by my warhammer, Drow Elf!
Hey, no fair! That's cheating! I'm gonna tell my mom!
Thanks, kid. I didn't realize he had a health potion. My name is Butters the Merciful. I'm a paladin. I live right next door to you. We should be friends. Now that we're friends, you should speak with the Wizard King. He's been talking about your arrival. The wizard lives this way, in the great... Hey, where are you from? Where'd you live before moving here? All hail the Grand Wizard!
So, you are the new kid. Your coming was foretold by Coldwell Banker. I am the Wizard King. But the time for talk is not now. Let me show you my kingdom.
Oh, who's your new friend, Eric?
Shut up, Mom. Not now.
Ow!
Is that Spanish?
Welcome to the kingdom of Koopa Keep. You have been sought out, new kid, because humans You entered douchebag, is that correct? Are you sure you want to keep the name douchebag? Very well, douchebag. You will now choose a class: fighter, mage, thief, or Jew. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool. You look sneaky enough to be a thief. Jew, huh? So I guess we'll never really be friends. A fighter has courage, honor, and the ability to kick fucking ass. A mage is like a wizard, only not as cool. We welcome to our kingdom, Douchebag the Mage.
Hooray!
Now please, go and visit the weapon shop. Procure yourself a weapon and we shall teach you to fight.